Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up Bluetooth on Windows 11. If you got new headphones, a wireless mouse, or a Bluetooth speaker, in this quick guide, I'll show you how you can easily connect any Bluetooth device to Windows 11 step by step. Let's jump in. So first, let's make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. So you can just click on the Wi-Fi or battery or sun icon in the bottom right corner. And then make sure that the Bluetooth icon is blue. So if it's off, you can just click it to turn it on. Or you can also go to the settings, Bluetooth and devices, and toggle it on from there. And here you can just open the settings and then Bluetooth and devices, and you can just add the device by clicking on add device and then choose Bluetooth and put your headphones, mouse or speaker into pairing mode, and then you can just select the device from the list and click connect and you are done. And that's how to easily connect any Bluetooth device to Windows 11. Hit like if this helps, subscribe, and also click on a thanks for more Windows 11 tips. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!